Okay, this is your introduction to Civil 3D. So I'm going to first, by starting up the program, I'm going to go to the Start button, All Programs, Autodesk, AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012, and let's use the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012 metric icon. It doesn't really matter which one you use, metric or imperial, they both are pretty much the same. But let's start with the metric icon, and that'll fire up AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012. Now, I'm going to start with a new drawing. It may have created a new drawing when you started up the program. That's fine. What we're going to do, though, is take a look at some of the interface of Civil 3D because it's slightly different than AutoCAD. All your AutoCAD functionality is included in Civil 3D. All of your AutoCAD map functionality is included in Civil 3D, and on top of that are all your civil engineering tools. So you have about 3 programs in one. If you take a look at the top left corner there, you can have your workspace switching. We're going to stick with Civil 3D for the most part. If you want to take a look at some of the basic standard AutoCAD functionality, switch to the 2D drafting and annotation, and for AutoCAD map we can switch into planning and analysis. But for now, let's stick with Civil 3D. Let's take a look. I'd like to have my pull down menus up, so we're going to go to that drop down button beside the quick access toolbar there. I'm going to browse down and make sure that you click show menu bar, and that will bring up all your pull down menus along the top. So hit that little drop down beside your workspace switching, select show menu bar, and that'll pop up all your pull down menus. Okay, and what you can do is you can save that by selecting the drop down on your workspace switching, and once you have all your toolbars and everything configured, your pull down menus up, go save current as, and you can just save over top of the original Civil 3D or make up a new one if you like. Click save, replace it, and then the next time all your pull down menus will always be there. Probably the most noticeable change you'll see from AutoCAD is the tool space. In the tool space, you'll see that we have a number of different tabs. Alright, on the tool space, you'll notice it's just like any other palette. We can drag and drop it, we can dock it, we can hide it, all that kind of stuff. If you happen to lose your tool space, what you can do is head over to the Home tab on your ribbon, and there's your tool space button. Go ahead and click it. Toggle it on and off. There it is. There's 4 different tabs on the tool space: Prospector, Settings, Survey, and Toolbox. We'll be working in the Prospector and Settings tab mostly. Alright, so what you'll see is our drawing screen as usual and our command line. Now, let's go to the O drive and grab a file I would put up there for you. So I'm going to go to the O drive, O Student Construction, Instructors, yours truly, Shared Data, Civil 3D. Go to that folder, and in there I stuck a file there called Project Example. Copy that file somewhere local. Don't open it up from the O drive, please. Okay, I'll be really mad. Copy it local, and then open it up in Civil 3D. And let's take a look. We got some Civil 3D data in there. And once you have that open, take a look. There's some profiles. If you get a alert box, just close it down. Now, let's take a look at what we have here. So, Civil 3D is made up of essentially 2 main tabs in the tool space. One's Prospector and one is Settings. If you select the Prospector tab, that contains all the data that is currently residing in that drawing file. Alright, shows you all the data. So for instance, I have some points, and if I select points in the Prospector tab, it shows me all my points down in my Itemized View down at the bottom of the tool space. That's called my Itemized View, and I can go down and take a look at all my points there. I've got some point groups, I've got some surfaces. I can take a look at surfaces, expand that out, alignments, etc. All kinds of data in this file.